I had a boxing match. Am I crazy? In this video, I'm going to talk about how the skills and qualities you need for a boxing match can be directly related to running or growing a business. So here are 5 qualities that directly transfer from boxing to business. The first quality is dedication. This is an essential quality in both boxing and business. Signing up for this boxing match meant that I had to stay dedicated with my training and not miss a session. I had to stay committed, I had to stay focused, and I had to dedicate my training to this specific boxing match. If I didn't stay dedicated, there's more chance of me losing, there's more chance of me getting seriously hurt, and there's more chance of me getting knocked out. Staying dedicated directly transfers to business. Those that aren't dedicated in their business are more likely to fail. Staying dedicated within my business has allowed me to create a full-time salary for myself, as well as some valuable time freedom. The second quality is overcoming fears. Now let's be honest, the thought of stepping into a boxing ring is scary, but so is starting and running a business. This is also scary. Overcoming the fear of being punched in the face, or the fear of being knocked out, or the fear of being hurt with a punch is great mental training to help me overcome my fears. If I can get through the fear of being punched or being hurt, this can really help with my mental toughness, and it can help me tackle other challenges that I may face later down the line. When you run or start a business, you have many fears. What if it fails? What if I go broke? What if nobody supports me? The list goes on, and I'm sure you can think of 100 other reasons. Fears will always be there in whatever you do, and putting yourself in uncomfortable situations will only help you when it comes to your business. Let me know in the comments, what are some of your fears? Let me know. The third quality is consistency. Both in boxing and in business, you need to stay consistent. Practice, practice, practice. If I don't stay consistent with my training and with my practicing, it's very unlikely that I'm going to improve my boxing skills. And just like business, if you're not staying consistent, you're not showing up every day, it's going to be very difficult to improve your business and to grow your business. Staying consistent is such an important quality to have in both boxing and in business. Individuals should be aiming to improve their services, improve their products, or improve whatever it is they want to achieve by staying consistent. And this is an essential life skill to have, as well as an essential skill to have in both boxing and business. The fourth quality is the ability to have quick, decisive decision-making skills. You need to be able to make decisions quickly. Now, in a boxing match, this is vital. You need to be able to make split-second decisions throughout that boxing match. Are you going to throw a jab? Are you going to throw a hook? Are you going to throw an uppercut? You have to make split-second decisions that can be the difference to you scoring points against your opponent or your opponent scoring points against you. And if you don't make decisive decisions during your boxing match, if you don't commit to the punches that you're throwing or the decisions or the moves that you're making during the boxing match, it's very likely or very possible that your opponent will capitalize on this. You don't want to be caught in two minds, because this is when you just get punched in the face. The decisions you make need to be smart, effective, and fast. And guess what? They don't always work out in your favor, but you still need to make those quick, decisive decisions. This is just like business. Now, admittedly, in most businesses, it's very rare that you need to make split-second decisions. However, you do need to make decisive decisions, and often quick decisions. Making decisive decisions within your business will help you to keep moving and help you to keep progressing. If you dwell on a decision too long, this just slows down the whole process within your business. You need to make quick, decisive decisions using smart, effective, and calculated knowledge. And those that don't make decisive decisions often slow down the progress of their business. And as they say, time is money, baby. The pandemic caused me to make some quick, decisive decisions within my business, and these decisions have helped me to keep my business alive and help to keep it profitable. Without the quick and decisive decisions that I made, my business may have gone bust. The fifth quality that directly relates between boxing and business is the will to learn and the will to improve. In boxing, you can never stop learning. There's always things that you can learn. There's always different combinations, different techniques, different moves. There's so much more that you can learn when it comes to boxing. And you can always improve. In order to get better, you have to keep on learning and keep on improving. And this is just like business. Within business, in order to grow your business, you'll have to continue to learn and continue to improve. And if you don't keep learning and if you don't keep improving, you may fall behind to your competitors. Competitors that have a growth mindset and continue to learn and continue to improve may just overtake you and your service. So it's really important that both in boxing and business, you continue to learn and you continue to improve. And this is just another quality that directly relates between the two. Now, if you want to learn what a growth mindset is, why not check out this video here, this one right here. And if you want to learn more stuff about starting or growing a business, why not check out my business playlist up here? I think it's up here. But remember, most importantly, support the ting. Peace and love.